Hey guys, I just gotta tell you something. My microwave was like smoking. Here's my new microwave. It was smoking. Like all this freaking air is everywhere. I opened the doors and everything. Here, look it. I was making noodles and this is what happened to the noodles. Come on, open. You know what? Here. Hold on. See? That's the noodles right there. Hold on, maybe I can open it. Come on. Oh, snap. Here it is. Right there. Guys, I'm making the noodles again. Here's the microwave. Hope it doesn't smoke. Yeah. So guys, this one is the new microwave. And this is our built-in microwave. Like, this one is broken. That's why we got this one. But let's see. Let's put it on for another minute. You guys hear that? Hold on, hold on. Did you guys hear that? Okay, hold on. Hey guys, so I made my noodles. It worked, but I can't use the styrofoam cup anymore in the microwave, so it doesn't catch on fire like it did last time. Well, yeah, it catch on fire, but it like smoked. It was smoking a lot, like it came through the vent on top. So yeah, but yeah. So that's all. Guess I can end the video now. You guys should see like a Rainbow Six video come up today. But yeah. So, thank you guys for watching this video. If you like this video, like and subscribe, and don't forget to share with your friends and everything. And yeah, goodbye. I will see you guys later. And in the next video. Bye. Yeah.